everyone. So today I will be discussing about an unique scenario that is being implemented in Planet project. So they maintain images of their items in line items in PNG format in Shopify, and then they sync the same in SAP's document lines. The process is such that the first they download the image from Shopify by using one of our destination library function, and then they maintain a folder in their desktop where these images are downloaded. When you open SAP, you will find a field in document lines UDF where the image path is maintained, and also in UDF where the actual image is maintained. So now if we see Shopify, so let's say this is one example where they have maintained their images, and this is one of the item and this is the image. Now if we check the same order in SAP, we will be able to see how it is maintained. So if we open SAP, they maintain the Shopify order ID in an UDF. So this is the order ID that we have seen in Shopify, and this is a field where the folder link is stored. So if you click on it, you will be redirected to another app. So here you can see the whole image. Also, if you want to see the same image in SAP, you can click on this UDF and the image will be popped up. So that's all. Thank you so much.